Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I've made any videos for YouTube. No real special reason. I just wasn't really interested in making any videos recently, and I kind of stopped collecting Pokemon cards, I guess. Um, no real special reason why, I don't know, just lost interest, I guess. So, well, and then I wanted to make a video about R2-D2. As you can see here that he is completed, but I'm having problems with him. So I've been in contact with De Agostini a couple times and I'm just waiting for results. So that's why I haven't made any videos about him being completed. But yeah, well, maybe that'll come in the future. But he does kind of work, just not 100%. But yeah. Anyways, so that's not what today's video is about, per se. So actually, today's video is about this robot car starter kit. So after completing R2, I realized I really didn't know what I had built. I mean, I know what I built, but I was just following the instructions and I really didn't understand the components of what I was building. And that got me interested in robots more, and what do I actually need to learn to do to build other robots, because it would be cool to build like more Star Wars related robots, maybe? I don't know. So I hemmed and hawed for a couple weeks, longer than that maybe, about trying to decide what to buy first. And last night I was on Amazon going through all the robot kits on there, and I was debating between a Raspberry Pi kit or an Arduino kit. And they both have their ups and downs and pros and cons, I guess. I'm still not 100% sure. But in the end, I chose an Arduino kit because everything is in the box, I guess. I didn't have to buy any separate components or anything from what I found, at least on Amazon. So actually, I haven't opened this up yet. I got it today and I didn't open it up yet. I'm opening up right now. So let's see what's actually inside. Alright, so this company is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Osoyoo? I have no idea. But yeah, it's a complete robot car starter kit. So let's see what's inside. Oh, alright. Well, here is the whole packing list of everything that's in it. Yeah, see, it comes with the Uno R3 board and a bunch of other modules and sensors. That's cool. Alright. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to buy batteries. I don't know if I have batteries for it right now. Oh well. That's okay, that's cool. Ooh, here we go. And immediately, right away, here we are. We got the wheels and the motors. Cool. Alright. But we're not gonna take everything out just yet. Oh, those are pretty solid. Cool. Alright. So, and then here's all the other contents. Everything that we need to build our robot car. Cool. Oh, the remote control. Battery pack. Okay. Okay, oh, and all of the sensors and everything. That's a nice little box. That's cool. Everything is neatly organized and laid out. Cool. Alright. Well, that's exciting and interesting. Well, let's go ahead and stop the video for now, and we'll come back once I start building it. Alright. And here we go.
this is it. Kind of. It's not complete yet. There's still a few more sensors I need to add on, but it's getting late, and I didn't want to finish it all tonight. I'm gonna go to bed because I have work tomorrow. But yeah, so I had a much longer video made. It was about 40 minutes long of me building it. And then once I got about 40 minutes into building it, I realized that the instructions that I had were incorrect. They were telling me to use different screws and whatnot, and I ran out of screws. It's like, wait, what? That doesn't make sense. So I found different instructions online, and they were correct to the version that I have. This is version 2 of the Osoyoo robot car kit. But what have I done so far? Well, not too much. I got everything working and loaded. He does move. When I power him on, he does move on his own. And then it has a remote. I can kind of do it now. Maybe. Yeah, I have limited space on my table. Oops, wrong button. There we go. So he does work. Yeah, it's pretty cool so far. I actually didn't learn anything. I'll have to go through the code and look at the code myself. I just uploaded it for now to see what I could do, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to check out the different battery pack. I don't like this 9-volt because they're expensive and it's gonna probably burn through them pretty quickly. There is another battery pack that I can use. Maybe I can use rechargeable batteries for this. I have no idea. I don't know. I'll have to investigate and research into that later. But for now, I think it's about time to go to bed. I've done enough for today. So anyways, thanks for watching, and look forward to more videos into my journey into robots, or journey into robotics, I don't know. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.